I'm Izzy,
I'm Candace.
and this is our channel, Candace. We are going to do the exploding watermelon today.
You want to do it again then?
Did you chip a nail? You did!
I did not!
Okay, so we're gonna go get started on some prep work now.
Hopefully we'll have music going through this because...
You said you didn't smudge a nail. Look at that. Nail polish.
Wait,
on the
I
watermelon.
can't see. Oh,
Nail
there
polish.
is, right there.
Yeah. I can't draw a straight line to save
Can't
my
draw a
life.
straight line.
Okay, so here we are, all set up. We have a 1.5 pounds of rubber bands. We Sharpied a perfect line,
That
a
is
somewhat perfect line, so that we have a center example to put the rubber bands on, and we have a chicken to help with clean up. So we're all set.
do this.
Matilda, the lamb. So far, our strategy is team.
Yes. Izzy's afraid that she's gonna go blind if this thing explodes in her face.
It could
The lamb is laughing at you. Wiggles and wobbles, but don't fall down.
Its name is Weeble.
Weeble. Weeble the watermelon.
I'm just gonna kill us if she says this.
No, she won't. I think she'll be happy.
So it's not a waste. And it's going to the chicken's breakfast.
Yeah,
Pointed.
I
like it pointed that way.
And what makes you think it's gonna go that way?
I don't.
What if it does go that way? This thing ricochets, breaks our camera. This hard part hits us in the face. If you're so worried, go get us safety protection things.
It's got wrinkles.
Wait,
Something is gonna happen.
Wrinkles.
You keep doing it. Good luck.
You leaving me?
Gonna get snacks.
What if it explodes? While Izzy's gone, if you want to hear an embarrassing funny fact about her, when she was younger, she couldn't tell the difference between a stove and an oven. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that?
I feel like this is never gonna explode.
You can tell that it has done.
Let's get serious now. Ready?
You got scared. Okay, we took that serious for about a few.
That really hurt.
Like that way. Oh, it's watering right there. Oh, we have a rubber band. And we still had a whole bunch more left.
Wow, that was gross.
Wrist.
Here, tick, tick, tick.
Aww. They like it.
Oh, you girls have a good breakfast. Here we go.
I look disgusting, Candace. This is bad. Got all over you.
Well, at least the chickens are happy. I'm one sticky mess, but that was fun.
Is that a default band?
Broken.
Let's pull it and see who wins.
Oh, serious? Okay.
Yeah. Just kidding.
Really?
I'm kidding. Oh, I'm sorry. You fell for it.
Fun fact about Candace.
You couldn't even wait until I got inside.
Oh no.
What'd you do? Did you rubber band my straw to it?
I lost my straw. She goes.